Hello, welcome back to the dollhouse. I am your yarn host, Kira. It's been a while. Not feeling good. Had a lot of time on my hands. Mix. We'll go through the mix first. I kind of went a little crazy. Little bit crazy. This is Lion Burn Ferris Wheel in Morning Java. And this is Karen 1 pound. It's a nice Halloweeny one. Halloween. I usually don't put borders on them, but had a little bit left, so I figured I'd put a border on it. Thinking of making this one a little bigger. That is Lion Mandala Ombre. Oh, and I am so late to the bus on this one. I got these by accident, and I figured I'd give them a try because Karen, and no wool, and not itchy. So one cinnamon swirl cake, 8 ounces, 407 yards, 100% acrylic. I have this much left, and I have a new favorite yarn. I love this one. I love this one. All of these are Bag O' Day Crochet's Easy Peasy Easy Peasy shawl, and I'll put a link to her tutorial. That's pretty much like the cornerstone of what I've been doing. It's something that I can use. It's also something that sells very well. It's also something that makes a very good gift. And with all the colorways out there, you can make them all day. I got mail. My friend Tanner at Highest Ground Coffee sent me a care package. The best thing about his care packages, they always come with a note on the top of the box, and it's always handwritten. He sent me caramel sauce, and he sent me a box of anti-inflammatory coffee, because he's a love and he knows that I hurt. If you have not tried Tanner's Coffee, Highest Ground Coffee, he's on Twitter, highestgroundcoffee.com. You can get his stuffs. I also have a big box. I got a big Mentos box. I managed to catch the restock on Friday when the Red Splash went back on this website for like 2 hours, and then it was sold out again. Is not in here. That's coming separate. My cat is patiently waiting to get in the box. Creepy paper. Thank you, paper. Ooh. Impeccable speckles. I learned to be creative when looking for holiday colors, because, you know, can't get Hirschner's Halloween yarn until like after Thanksgiving now. So, Michael's Loops and Threads. This is called Hot Sunshine. It looks like candy corn to me. It's very soft. Ooh, that's nice. I haven't bought Loops and Threads for quite some time. That's actually really nice. And of course, I had to get these in a different color. This is called Honey Bun. I think I'm making this tonight. I think this is going to make very pretty. Very, very pretty. And I haven't done the blossom cakes. I got a blossom cakes. 481 yards. This feels like it has wool in it. What is it? What is it? No. 61% cotton, 39% acrylic. Does not have wool in it. This color is called Tide Pool. I thought that would make a very pretty shawl. It's very soft. It's very soft. It really feels like it has wool in it. It's got quite the halo around it. I don't know if you can see that. It's got the fuzzy halo. It's very nice. Still waiting on my murder yarn. Murder yarn, not here. Pardon me, the cat. In case you don't know, this is a Michael's exclusive. This is Bernette Blanket Big in Red Splash. And the more you look at it, the more marvelous it becomes. Because not only does it look like a fresh crime scene, there's actually little tan and little brown bits as you get into the skein. So it looks like a not so fresh crime scene. I found 2 locally. Managed to get 1 online. Actually caught them on Friday, and now on Michael's online you have to buy it in sets of 2. So I had to buy 4. So I'm gonna have weird numbers of things, but I got them, and they should be here tomorrow. Now I'm going to make a huge crime scene blanket because I'm weird, and crime scene blanket. I just completely derailed. Moment. Oh, look, there's a cat behind me. Frankie Helena. Frankie Helena. Frankie Helena. Frankie Helena does not want to look at the camera. She says, "This is my butt." That's my cranky old lady. She is like 25 or something. She's like stupid old for a cat. Did the mix, did the mail. I'm so psyched that I found these, and I'm making more of this because my husband says it looks like Autumn threw up in my face. I said, good, that's kind of what I was going for. Autumn threw up in my face. 3-row repeat. This one I happened to put a half double border around the edge. Just made it a little cleaner. And like I said, I have a hole this much left. So that is a good size ball. That is a good pattern for that ball. I want to try the new color and see how that works. Mandala Ombre is awesome and soft and squishy and marshmallowy. And I think I might make this, I might add another ball to this and make this like big and huge and comfy and drapey. Because I can. So why not? It's a beautiful pattern. Someday I will write patterns and be that good, but until then, that's why we have people like Crystal from Bag a Day. That's it. I got nothing today. I got nothing else. I got more mail coming in. I managed to snag some Joann's Halloween yarn during the whole couple hours that lasted on their Friday restock. So I got some of that coming in. I've just been really down and out, and thankfully I've been selling a lot of things that are in stock. There's going to be a giveaway on Twitter tomorrow, starting tomorrow. Tomorrow the 1st. Is tomorrow the 1st? I don't know. It starts September 1st. I don't know what today's date is. It starts September 1st. Train of thought derailed. I'm good at that. Go check out highestgroundcoffee.com. Tanner's awesome. His coffee is really good. His coffee is really good. I haven't tried the syrup yet in my coffee, but it's caramel and, you know. Bye, Helena. I live and breathe caramel if I could, so I'm excited for that. I guess I'll have another one of these when the murder yarn comes in, or when the Joanne stuff comes in, because you know how Joanne says my shipping. Like, subscribe, click all the bells and whistles and stuff and things, and yeah, I will link the Easy Shawl pattern from Bag a Day. I will link her tutorial below in case you want to make one. In case you don't want to make one and you want to buy one, I have some for sale. I'm on Twitter. I'm Dollhouse Kira on Twitter. I'm Dollhouse Kira pretty much everywhere that I'm on, but I'm most active on Twitter. Kira Crochet on here. Kira Crochet on Patreon. That's it. Yeah, nothing else. Okay, short video. Yay! I'm gonna make Sean see how this new yarn works out, and I'll probably be back. But murder yarn's supposed to be here tomorrow. Joann's is processing, so I don't know when it's supposed to be here, but I'll probably do another one in the next couple days if I can stay upright. Be nice, be kind. Sprinkle kindness like seeds. Bye, lovelies.